Hi everyone, good day. My name is Isaac Eskin from mathleague, and I'm going to take you through this problem. Now the question says that Bert and Ernie are trying to determine the real value of x that satisfies the equation x plus 42 log x equals 184. As a computer scientist, Ernie interprets log as log base 2, but as an engineer, Bert interprets it as log base 10. Compute the sum of Ernie's and Bert's solutions for x. So generally, we are given the equation x plus 42 log x equals 184. Now, I need to compute the solution for x for Ernie and then compute the solution for x for Bert. But don't forget that we were told that Ernie sees log as log base 2. That means that the equation is going to be x plus 42 log base 2x equals 184. So I'm computing the solution for x for Ernie. Now I can say let x be equal to 2 to the power y. Of course, if this is so, then this is the same as log of x base 2 equals y. So I am going to substitute these two values or these two expressions into the equation. That means wherever I see x here, I put 2 to the power y. And wherever I see log x base 2, I put y there. So I'm going to have 2 to the power y plus 42y equals 184. Now here, you need to ask yourself, for what values of y will this equation or this expression hold? If I choose y to be 1, we are going to have 2 to the power 1, which is 2, plus 42 times 1, which is 42. And of course, when you add that, that will give you 44, which is not equal to 184. So I need to keep on trying for some values of x, some small values of x. Now, if y is equal to 4, then we have 2 to the power 4 plus 42 multiplying 4. Now, this is equal to 2 to the power 4, it is 16, plus 42 times 4 is going to be 168. Of course, if you add these two numbers, you get 184. So clearly, y equals 4 satisfies this equation. That means that for any, the solution for x, which we stated that x is equal to 2 to the power y, and this will be 2 to the power 4, and that is going to be 16. So for any, the solution for x is 16. Now, Bert interprets log as log base 10. That means that for Bert, the equation is going to be x plus 42 log x base 10 equals 184. So here we can let x be equal to 10 to the power p. Then this implies that log base 10 of x equals p. Then I'm going to substitute these expressions into the equation. That means we have 10 to the power p plus 42p equals 184. So here you also need to ask yourself for what values of p is this equation that is going to make this equation hold, right? What values of p can we choose for this expression to hold? Now, if p is equal to 1, of course, 10 to the power 1 plus 42 times 1 is not equal to 184 because that will be 52. Now, if p is equal to 2, then we have 10 squared plus 42 multiplying 2. Now, what is 10 squared? 10 squared is what? 100. Plus, what is 42 multiplying 2? That is going to be what? 84. Of course, when you add these two, we have 184. So clearly, the value of p that will make this equation hold is actually 2. If that is the case, then the solution for Bert, of course, we said that let x equals 10 to the power p. And now we know that our p is 2, so this is going to be 10 squared. And of course, that is 100. That means the solution for x for Bert is going to be 100. Now, what do we know now? We know that for any, the solution for x is equal to 16. And then for Bert, the solution for x is equal to 100. Hence, when we compute the sum of their solutions, we are going to have 16 plus 100, which will be equal to 116. And if you go through the options, you can see that the answer is actually option D, which is 116. Thank you very much for watching this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.
Hey, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.